Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And something new for the channel. I feel like that's just like not new anymore, right? I love new things, but this is something new for your channel. So this is from Sparkle Hustle Grow. Now they do have a subscription. That is not what this is. I have been watching their subscription for a while, but just haven't decided to actually make the leap yet and push the button to subscribe. What this is they offered a, if I can say it all correctly, it was a rainbow collection bundle for $50. I do not know what's in it, but I thought, well, this would be a good opportunity for me to check out the box, check out the items that could possibly come in it. And for 50 bucks, yeah, let me try it. So that is what this is. So it is a business self-care subscription, I believe. They, when you buy the subscription, but they give you, you get a book, and it's all about improvement with a business focus, if I'm remembering correctly. Let's check it out here. What did we get in this box, in this rainbow collection bundle? My assumption is I'm going to have a book, but what other goodies, I'm just not quite sure of. So here we go. Oh. All right, was not expecting that, but look at all what I'm seeing. So right at the top here, it is already something to help us grow. So it says, congratulations up at the top on investing in yourself. There is a habit tracking wheel here. And on one side it's, oh, I like this. One side it's habit. On the other side, it is reward. I'm all about rewards. And it says change and success doesn't happen overnight. Track your progress with this handy visual reminder to grow the behaviors and skills you need in order to become the best version of yourself. Don't forget to reward yourself too. Funny story. Our requirement for like going into the office is 3 days a week. Okay, we can work from home the other 2 days. So for those days that I make it in, which I gotta make it in 3 days a week, if I make it through the day, on the way home, I treat myself to a Starbucks. So that's probably why you see a lot of times a drink sitting here. Well, that's because I've made it through the day. Now, if you see me wearing a ball cap, well, I probably didn't make it into the office that day, but I made it through the workday and I'm treating myself to a Starbucks. So I'm all about the rewards. So it says, remember, success is a habit. From your friends at Sparkle Hustle Grow. All right. I'm liking what I'm seeing. They have like right here, it's like a cut line so that you can cut that. I love how they're utilizing the box for more than just a shipping box. Love that. So it's just not something that is getting thrown away. We can use it for another purpose. I love that. Okay, what do we have in here? The first, we've got some gigantic paper clips. Now, yes, it's a paper clip, but I guarantee I could find another purpose for these too. I'm actually thinking, I know I talk a lot about by traveling, going on vacations, but I mean, seriously, if I had a bag, I could find a way to loop this big paper clip on something and then attach something else onto it. So more purposes for a gigantic paper clip than what a paper clip is generally used for. So liking those. Next, we have got some pip stickers. I'm all about day planners, monthly planners in general, so I'm loving me a good sticker. So it is important and reminder stickers. Love those as well. Okay. Then got some pencils, which is funny. I am going to need to get a pencil sharpener. But I love pencils still. Okay, it says foil stamped pencils. Is this by the same company? No. And that's okay. It mentioned here, like, where is it? I thought it mentioned somewhere. I don't know. I must be dreaming. Okay. So back to the pencils. So foil stamped pencils, 5 number 2 wood pencils made in the US. And they got sayings on them. We've got good vibes only, feeling good as hell, shine bright like a diamond, today's gonna be a good day, and don't stop until you're proud. So just need to get me a pencil sharpener. All right. Next in here, we have got present, not perfect affirmation cards. Daily inspiration for slowing down, letting go, and loving who you are. Amy Chase, so it's best-selling author of One Question a Day. There are 32 cards in here. Retail price of this is $17.99. Now, I will say, and one of the reasons I haven't gotten like the box, like, you know, this box or maybe similar boxes, not very big on affirmations. They just don't really do anything for me. I mean, yeah, there's a saying that might pop up that I'm like, oh, I like this saying. But I'm not a journaler. Doesn't do anything for me. Writing stuff down doesn't make me feel better, unfortunately. It's amazing for those people that it does make them feel better, and I'm so happy for them. But for me, it feels like I'm writing to write, and it doesn't do anything for me. That's kind of like how affirmations are too, for the most part. Now, sometimes there might be a saying that I'm like, oh yeah, love it. But it's probably because it's like a smart Alex saying, or it's like, you know, dumpster fire, like today's been a perfect day, like a dumpster fire, or you know what I mean? It's things like that. But actually, things are supposed to actually make you truly feel good. They just don't do anything for me. Well, let's open this up. But yeah, I mean, a lot of, you know, like self-help and things like that, big about journaling, and it's just not me. But let's check out what some of these affirmations are. Maybe they're smart Alec-like. I mean, that would be great, but let's see. So it says how to use the affirmation cards. Choose a card from this present, not perfect collection. All right. So I want to say pick a card, any card. All right. That's very pretty. That style is very me. Let's see what it says. Okay. I will release what I can't control, come what may. Okay. It's just not me. Let's do another one. Now, I will say, oh, this one's pretty. I might look through here to see, is there anything that does spark to me that I might want to reflect on? Yeah. Okay. I don't have to be everything to everyone. Okay. Let me try one more. We're on a roll here. Let me just try one more. Okay. Okay. My life is a scrapbook and today is a page. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess they're just not me. They're just not me. So now, like I said, I will look through them to see if anything does spark something. And if it does spark something, then it's enough that I'm like, oh, I want to have that up. But for the most part, one said, I will, what did it say here? Because I'm like, oh, that's so not me. It said something, I will collect, maybe it said moments and not things. Not a great person that does a lot of subscription boxes. But I will say, I am all about the experiences. I'm all about, like, when we go on vacations, I want to experience things. I want to do things. I want to learn new things. I want to try new things. But I'm just completely, like, diverting here. Let's get back to the box. All right. So we have got a a bookmark. You know what we don't have is a book. I really thought we were going to have a book. But keep going, Terry. The next we have Magical Thinking and Notes. So Magical Thinking and Notes. So we've got a notepad, and it's got 45 tear-off sheets. Then we have the R.J. Nichols Live Joy, Give Joy mini calendar. Okay, this is something up my alley. Let me show you. So here's the calendar. Now, all right, there we go. So is that how you do it, maybe? Maybe it's like that. Okay, so we've got January. It's over. Is this 20? Yeah, I'm like, is this 2026? It is. But here was your January. Now we're in February. This one is super cute. Love this. It's your January. This is your February. I'm really loving the March. Look how cute that is. Loving the March. Oh, this one's fun too. April. May. June. July. Oh, I'm loving the August. August. I think that's cool. Let me take these out. They're kind of filling up. So this is going to work with me. Okay, we got September. Dig in October. November, kind of boring, but I get it. What am I grateful for? I mean, it is the month of Thanksgiving in the United States. And the December, this one's pretty too. Peace. So loving the calendar, and I will be taking this to work. So let me just package this right back up so I could take that into work. Okay, two more things. We have got some pastel highlighter, set of 5, Le Bonbon Patisserie. Got some highlighters. Let's open them up so I can check them out. Well, they're sealed really well. Let me just leave those there for right now. And last but not least, we have got some ballpoint pens by Schneider Viz. Easy and fast writing sensation. We got 10 of them. Beautiful colors. Love the colors of those. And then the box is still giving more. So we have here on that side of the box, it says a little reading plus a little self-care equals a lot of growth. That side, oh, it says tag us on social for a chance to win free stuff. Everybody likes free stuff. On this side, on the inside, you found me. As a reward, here's something useful. And it gives us a site. And then, it says, join our partner program to earn money for referrals. And then at the bottom, we have, did you know your subscription can be a tax write-off? Ask your accountant today. Hashtag best business expense ever. Okay. I love that. That's freaking hilarious, isn't it? That's awesome. I don't got a business. Now, did I register a business? I registered a business. To have it registered, do I make any money? I don't make any money. I'm growing. But I just think that's freaking hilarious that a subscription box can be considered a write-off. That's funny. Love that. That's great. Okay, so in summary, it's the Rainbow Collection Bundle. I think they fit the theme for rainbow. Did they not? Totally fit the theme. The only thing I really wish there had been included, I really wish I would have rather have had a book than affirmation cards. I really, really was looking forward to having a book. I think I might sign up for the subscription because I'm liking what I'm seeing. And I'm all about growth. You know, like self-help books, things like that. Some, I'm like, I read them and I'm like, isn't that common sense? Don't we all just know that? Other things, I'm like, wow, I really like that. It's just really touch and go for me. So another reason why I'm like, should I spend the money? Should I not spend the money? But you know what? I'm going to sign up. I'm going to try it because I love the extras that they're doing. You know what I mean? They have put a lot of thought into this box. So yeah, I'm going to sign up. I'm going to try at least 1 month and check it out. But this box here, $50. I'm happy. Even though not me, I think these are super cool. I love a good notebook. Markers, love them. Love the little calendar. Love the pencils, even though I need to get a pencil sharpener. I love the stickers. Love this. I don't believe I paid any shipping. So like straight up $50. So I'm happy. And it's given me exposure that I want to know more. I want to see more from them as a box. So I am going to sign up and give them a try. So, okay. Well, there you go, guys. Wrapped up another subscription. I just noticed on the outside here, best business expense ever. That's still cracking me up. So, all right, guys. Thanks as always for tuning in. If you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Stick around. I unbox a lot of unboxes. So, all right, guys. You take care. And again, thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.